Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how past perfect continuous tense is in English. The past perfect continuous is another tense that expresses the past in the past. The past perfect continuous tense shows that an action that started in the past continued up until another time in the past. The structure of the past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had plus been plus the ing form of a main verb. For example, he had been drinking milk out the carton when mom walked into the kitchen. I had been working at the company for 5 years when I got the promotion. Peter had been walking 3 miles a day before she broke her leg. The program that was terminated had been working well since 1955. For negative sentences we insert not after the first auxiliary verb. For example, he hadn't been feeling well for a long time when he suddenly collapsed at work yesterday. It hadn't been snowing for long when the children tried to make a snowman. John failed the final test because he had not been attending class. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and the first auxiliary verb. For example, had the car been working well before the accident? How long had you been waiting to get on the bus? How long had you been studying Turkish before you moved to Ankara? I had not been studying Turkish very long. The past perfect continuous tense is like the past perfect tense, but it expresses longer actions in the past before another action in the past. For example, Ram started waiting at 9 a.m. I arrived at 11 a.m. When I arrived, Ram had been waiting for 2 hours. And for the last note, as with other continuous tenses, there are some verbs that can't be used with the past perfect continuous because they are stative verbs rather than action verbs. These include the verbs be, cost, know, love, like, hate, have, own. So with these and similar verbs, only use the past perfect simple. For example, when we got married, Bill and I had known each other for 10 years. Remember that practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching. Please comment me your feedback.